Here at booth 4334 at the 2018 AHR Expo. What we have here is Duro Dyne's new prototype spot welder. Some of the key features are a specialty design transformer that no longer needs to be water cooled. We have a pump that is cooling the upper and lower tips directly to the tips themselves, which after the weld, the tips are now cooled to the touch, so no hazards of burning. We're going to demo it. We have 12 gauge sheet metal here. Power switch turns on a cooling fan to disperse some of the heat that the transformer builds up. Regulator in the back set to 80 psi. We got a front regulator for the head that will be adjusted with the weld time to specific gauge of metal. BAW4 Weld metal, 30 gauge to 11 gauge.